Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video is gonna be um, this one. Alright guys, so I am trying to organize my shoes and I want it to be like all the same boxes. So I went online shopping and of course through Amazon guys. So I found this one. So this is what I am going to show you today. This one is so cool because you can stack them up like that, or you can put it on the like a shoe rack like this one, and you can put display your shoes just like this, guys. So this one is so easy to assemble, and I already opened. So I've already opened the box, guys. So this is the box from Amazon. So it says here shoe box, stackable shoe box. So this one comes in 12 pack, and then you can stack them like this so you can organize your shoes and easy to find because it comes in a clear plastic um, like this. So when you receive the package, it comes with this one and 12 of these. So 12 of 12 pairs each. So 12 pairs of this, and then 12 pairs of this, and then this one. So you can stock them like this, like what is shown on the picture right there. And I order 12 of them, guys. Alright guys, so this boxes is stackable, transparent, and then there's ventilation, and it's waterproof, so you don't need to worry about those things if you are concerned about ventilation or water spilling on your shoes or your shoebox. So this one is good one, and it's also transparent so you can see what's inside the box, and it's also stackable so you can stack them like this one. So the one that I bought was 12 pieces, and I think you can pick more than 12 piece if you want, so it's up to you. So it comes with this one. So this one have 12 pieces of it, so it comes in pairs, and then comes in 12 pieces of this one, and then 12 pieces of this one. So see, it's clear, you can see what's inside the shoebox, and you can open it like that. So I'm gonna show you how to assemble this. So you can see on the right there on the background, I already pre-made it, but there's also a step-by-step instruction on the back of this paper. So it has 12 of these, 12 of these, and 12 of these. So it's so easy. So all you have to do is mold the plastic body into shape. So shape it like a box, like so. So like that. So make it like a box, like a shoe box. So it's very easy, guys. I haven't tried to stock them yet because since I bought this rack, so I just wanted my shoes to be, like that. So it looks like that. So yeah. And then after that, you fold all this thing here on both ends. So fold them. So fold all of them. It's so easy to assemble, guys. So this one only take me like less than 2 minutes to assemble. Well, right now I'm showing it to you, that's why it will take a little bit longer. So all you have to do is to fold all these things here. So let me just show you. There you go. So it's everything is folded. So now you take this one. This one is the bottom part. So it doesn't matter if you put this one here or there. So what you are going to do is, it's kind of like you have to put it like that on all corners. If you hear the snap sound, it means it's already locked. But oops, sorry, forgot this one. But make sure you fold. See, there's like a thing in there. Thing in there that it will hold this part, and then you're gonna hear a snap sound. It means it's already locked in place. So there, I don't know if you guys hear it. So there you go, and then you do it on the same side. There you go. I don't know, you guys. I hope you guys hear it. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other part here. This is the one with the door, or the open where you put the shoe. So same thing. If you hear the snap sound, it means it's already put together. There. So this is very cheap, guys. So you can buy it at Amazon, still available. I will put the Amazon site on the description below. So there you go. It's already done. So you can put your shoes in here, display it, and then you can open it like that. See? So easy, guys. So this one again comes in 12 pieces. 12 of these, 12 of these, and 12 of these. So basically you're gonna get 12 pairs of, or 12 boxes to put your 12 pairs of shoes. So let me just grab some shoes. Hold on for a moment. Okay, guys, I have my Jordan shoes in here. I forgot what's the name of this shoe. So I'm gonna put the Jordan shoes inside this shoe box. So you just put it like that, so you can display it nicely like that.
Wow!
See? So there's an opening, there's a door here where you can put the shoe, and then you can close it. And then if you want to stock them, you can lock it with this one, but I haven't tried it yet, guys. But yeah, you can stock all of them just like the one in the picture here. So you can do it like that if you want. So it's your choice. So yeah, so this is my shoe box. So nice, so transparent. Your shoes can breathe on it, because there's like a holes in here. And yeah, and it's see-through, so you can see what's in the box, on your shoe box. And yeah, so you can display your shoes nicely, guys. There you go. So those are my shoes, and I still have some space in there. Alright, guys, so hopefully you guys like this video. Again, you can buy this at Amazon, and I think you can either choose 12 or 24 pieces. I forgot, I'm not sure, I bought this a few weeks ago. So there you go. So those are my shoes. So everything is like organized, guys. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a good day. Bye.